Money band, man play the band. You have my own personal band. Okay. Man perform every time. Me, Freedom Park, the island, Freedom Park. One man show. But about my own personal show about we call it Journey to Sound. Almost a 6 or 7 edition. We change it based on what logistics. But several shows, national shows in Nigeria, national shows.
So I'm going to see what we're doing.
Man, not perform on the side. But Nigeria, we need to embrace what we have. So until I'm appreciate, but the other side of the country, no man appreciate it. But because she often allows baby the question in life. But the art is meant for any platform. I basically man like perform a concert because I perform with a 6-man band. I have 6 pieces of band. Yes. But all of finishing the way to happen in any event now. But band spontaneously, creatively, my jam, I don't come from. Even sometimes with one event by me, there won't be any soundtrack at the mouth flow because of the experience. And it's experience matters so much. So, man, she's a baby, who says, baby, microphone, I must go on in theater live. Any platform at all. And you are a controller, I wish you know the one. You know, ọmọkunrin eléyìí àti mele wa ní Korean and so man ní strong and open so nothing bóyá nǹkan kò tó possible or nǹkan tí ò kí ò possible I don't know how to phrase it but anything tí o máa ṣe ní ayé stick to it ẹ má sọ pé bóyá ọmọ fi ọṣẹ yẹ o ọmọ ní kí ló tẹ ṣe bọ́ ìlú ṣe kò tí ẹ kó máa ṣe wọ́n dájú báyìí wọ́n ní lọ gbé ìwé ẹ lọ gbá ẹ ok àtàtà lọ sí ìwé àtàtà lọ sí ìwé tó tó máa fún òkèlè bí gift tó wọ́n yẹn mọ̀ wọ́n máa compare but keep on doing it consistency matters.
Sir, with this talent now. Yeah. Education level ẹ bàdé báyìí.
Continuous education ni fún ìwà ẹ̀sìn mo tún lè lọ́dọ̀ yìí nípa degree whatever nínú ní degree lọ sí mo ní diploma ní theatre ní Lagos State University but other areas nípa ní degree whatever orí yàtọ̀ sí orí I rather equip myself. Nobody degree ṣé bàbá gba degree kan ṣé ló máa perform lórí stage bàbá perform tí bàbá Ṣóyínká gangan professor tó sọ pé professor Ṣóyínká sọ pé àwọn ò tí ì ru art ní ìlú
you have performed before him.
Blabọ ló máa tán bá 70 báyìí wọ́n lè ti ní under platform under stage ló ti perform ìlú ẹ̀ ní ìsìn ìgbẹ́ tó lójú wọn ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ délé wọ́n wà ní amalọsí Freedom Park after this place now ọmọ yẹ wọn sí. So one perform our so being education is continuity till infinity.
So sir, with this now, can you say you are fulfilled in terms of what it has been bringing to you as remuneration? Can you talk about fulfilled? Bye.
Well, I love that question. In art, there can never be amounts of people here at the climax. But what I'm going to say is I'm happy doing what I'm doing, but I love it. That's what can give you long life and blessing.
You're happy with what you are doing?
What?
I said you're happy with what you are doing.
Yeah, man. Only that you are alive. It keeps as I'm doing I'm seriously happy doing it because it comes from the heart, from my mind, from the soul. So as you do what you love doing, definitely to become wealthy or rich is just is getting yourself in the spirit of okay, let everything just go on smoothly. So no matter wealth rather. I asked one man one day, my oga, I wish I can remember his name right now because my brain is trying to. Only by my blue, by my question. Only not my brother. It is not about the money. Only what you have is not comparable with the money in the bank. I'm only ọ̀gá mi kan tí jẹ́ Nìkàlákìjà media máa ń gbọ́n lóko pa Nìkàlákìjà fine salaam because on media wọ́n sọ pé ẹ̀yẹ́ sì kò start pushing money owó máa sá lọ́wájú kí n ó ní ibò máa ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn lọ máa wo anywhere owó máa jókòó máa bẹ̀rù tó wà so when you because now this era now people believe pé tí bá dé ṣe pé owó gbọ́dọ̀ dé immediately tó wá dé kọ́ what do you have to sustain the standard what we call stardom right thank you very much for that you bring me that word what do you have to sustain the stardom is your humility your what do you call it humility first what do you have in your mind to sustain your art.
So since all this while they try not to put this into harbor.
Only about 4 or 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's all about body beats,
both music and sound.
Only singles with Kofi and sing Transformer. Only other one pẹ̀lú Chris Agilo. Got to test one. Got to play that. Got to Dada, sorry.
Okay.
Chris Agilo. Ajo ṣe Niko gbàgbé ní studio. Okay. Babati wà ní abroad wà US. Ẹ mọ̀ Babati náà. So àgbẹ̀ tí mo bá ti lọ ṣe àwọn ìwọ́de pẹ̀lú bàbá Chris Agilo. Àdẹ̀mọ̀ kẹlórí. So nínú tó mo jẹ́ stage person. Commercial but meanwhile I prepare myself to be a commercial person in case of any advert or body paint or any endorsement. So that's why I prepare myself ahead for. So we are instant to be a millionaire or monetary making aspect, but now it's about to achieve what you do all this while.
Yeah, when but then so like any your talent is appreciated out there than here. Have you ever met a disappointment doing this in Nigeria?
It's appreciated there in abroad. Here too is acceptable.
But not like the other side.
Other side, they really appreciate and they always more or less rewarded. But here, seriously, it's always full of applause. Nice performance.
Not monetary. Applause.
Monetary is not steady, but it's always appreciated. Appreciated rather. People appreciate the art in Nigeria. But we don't know what really don't let me try to. Nigeria is.
No. Are you married?
Well, you have to find a fantastic question. Then a little deeper. Although although in media, you don't have a response to your question. I'm married or single right now. You know why?
Why?
Answer someone can see a to the shade, the left for the entertainment, the food to watch it. Well, I'm understand because so bad beginning of Wọle bó ṣe fẹ́ or bó ṣe expect. What your program mind in one workout. Definitely my testimony. Workout. So I'm single at the moment now. So first time I saw already media means so. Oh baby, surely make it, man. So I'm going to get it. What's up? You play that? So
Breakfast.
But meanwhile, you got to back there. Sure. Faking your feeling as well. Sure. But you have to break you to test well. You have to spring up by that. So me play bolo, but push it freedom.
So about taking this thing overseas, you just show mama. Sure, mama witness eléyìí.
Sure, mama.
Yeah.
Ìdílé mi náà bí unlike ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ṣe àpé nǹkan tó bá jẹ́ glorious art. Ọ̀tún bá make wá ní kó di dán nada, that's my son. Wọ́n appreciate it, but that's my son. When producer right here, wọ́n like it, but wọ́n fi this time around by
But do you see that as a waste of time?
As a we are more still waste of my time.
Yeah, do you see this as a waste of time?
Never. It's very precious to me. Honestly, it's very. And when I remember, millions lè mọ ìwà yẹn tí ìbá ti kú o.
So in another 5 years, where do you see yourself?
I don't like answering
this.
that question because you can't predict tomorrow. I've answered that question before. My not matured mind. I don't love saying that the question directly. Where will I find myself? Anything about Killer, ó ṣe Christmas náà ni, ó ṣe Iléyá, ó ṣe gbogbo ọdún ló ṣe. Anything about Killer, ó lọ fẹ́ láti gbọ́ láti dápá òye sí.
So since that you better use it, just want to approach you, make a training.
Àjẹ̀fẹ̀ mo lè ṣe àwọn workshop láwọn international school kan náà, take their professional play their music. Try to remember school here, but it's all end school here in Bradgate, in Nigeria here. So they are professional instrument artists. But they do workshop with them. In fact, actually use at the stage performance with this art. The man ṣe pé mi wàá mú tó wà nínú rẹ̀ wàá ṣe jáde. Our creatively present on stage as it comes.
So back to my question.
Okay.
In another 2 years or even 5 years, what are your plans?
Well, I love to be touring around. I love to tour with my art. I want the international organization, national organization, to reckon with the art, representing the nation, representing Africa, which I would like to endorse the art, put it around from one country to another. That's what I pray, and that's my job. But I'm a very energetic person on stage. If you give me time, I'll give some of my clips, which you will play later. You see, this guy, so the woman, she did to take part of the stage, and it's always come natural. But if I have something, what's the only shit?
So who's your own influence, Kini?
Any?
Who's your own influence here? Who's your own trigger?
Mini. Wọ́n lè ṣe tán kí n mú nǹkan pọ̀ pé ìfẹ́ lọ sójú pé tó fẹ́ lọ pẹ̀ fún ṣèbí ẹ ṣáà pé miss me o ní ìmọ̀ pé máa sọ fún pé kí wá ṣe interview náà ọkùnrin wá ṣe ìfẹ́lẹ́ mo ti ń pa fún báyìí.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Ṣé ẹgbẹ́ wọn kọrin kan nígbà yẹn lórí láti sọ àbí lórí láti sọ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. After every beautiful performances, have you ever experienced any pain maybe in your body? Because all these things, you are so energetic.
I told you, no pain, no gain. I feel no pain anymore because I've been doing what I'm doing.
It's part of you already.
It's part of me now. I'm trying to be very disciplined, not to move around anyhow. All these things are full of readings here. And I love to play, slam your camera, but please don't do that. So all this so readings, any environment I find myself.
So for those who want to engage you for live performance, for advertisements, can we have your phone number?
I will oblige. Thank you very much for asking that question. 0803 354 0180. 0803. Am I right? 0803 354 0180.
Take it slowly.
Once again.
Am I right? 0803.
Okay.
Sorry. 0803.
Okay.
354.
Okay.
0180.
Okay. Thank you.
Am I right? Am I
Aju, you want to call it again?
0803 354 0180.
Okay.
Thank you.
Jojo.
Okay.